What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're making some awesome progress on the Trail Boss and have a lot planned for today's video. And we actually painted the back of the truck off camera. We used the DV1 clone gun that we got from Temu and it came out great. And if you're interested in anything we use, it's all linked in the description below, including the inflatable paint booth. We were planning to knock out the exhaust in this video, but with the storms rolling in the next few days, we decided to take advantage of the dry weather and get the painting done today. So make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for that exhaust video because it's going to be a good one. Alright, so let's get the Trail Boss moved out, fire up the paint booth, and then roll in the bed. And don't miss the end of the video because we're hoping to get the bed mounted today, and if the frame's straight, it should bolt right up.
Paint day is my favorite day. Got Tyler in here doing the wax and grease remover, getting it all cleaned up. And we taped it up best we could, but the tape's not sticking that well. Had it up here, but it keeps falling. So it's gonna be good enough. We'll get this door closed in a little bit. I'm gonna let Tyler paint this side. That way if he messes up, no big deal. But that's how you learn. You just keep practicing, messing up, learn from it, do it again. But this paint booth is awesome. These are the filters. That way you don't get overspray on everything around your house. And then we'll turn on the big blower, the blue. That's where air comes and drafts the fumes out of these filters. But it has this filter and it has like a charcoal filter on the back. This thing helps out a lot, especially when you got neighbors cutting grass and blowing their driveways off, burning sticks and limbs. So we're gonna finish getting this cleaned up. I'm gonna help him and then mix up the sealer. We'll spray sealer first, then the base coat. Now overlap it right here. All right, we got the sealer on and it came out really good. Let's take a look at it. It says it needs to dry for 30 to 40 minutes before we put the base coat. It came out really nice. Tyler had a few little runs, which we kind of sanded at and fixed it, but that's the only way to learn. The next we'll spray the base coat. Then you only got to wait like maybe 10 minutes between coats. All right, for the base coat, I'm gonna swap over to this new gun we got from Temu. It's the DV1 Devilbiss Clone or knockoff, whatever. Seemed like some people got mad we call it a clone. So whatever your replica. So mixing up some paint. Oh, let me tell you, one thing I said wrong in the last video on how to set this fluid knob. So you back this out, pull the trigger all the way. So pull the trigger, when that bottoms out, let off, and you turn in one full turn. And that's the perfect setting for this gun. I think in the last video I said you turn out. So I kind of messed that up. So it works really good, didn't have any issues. So I got my paint in here, I'm gonna put the slow urethane. This is 2-to-1. So all you do is come to the 2-to-1 column. It took 7 ounces of primer to paint. So I'm gonna go 7 with the paint, then I'm gonna go 7 with the urethane reducer. And hopefully that'll give us one good coat.
All right, we got 3 layers of base coat down. Now we just have to wait 20 minutes until we put our clear coat.
Yeah, it's coming out really good. I love that new gun we got, the DV1. It's laying it down perfect. Just got to get it, tweak it just right. I just use this area as my practice because nobody's ever going to see this. But it's laying out good. Yeah, I don't have any complaints. You only got to wait like 5 to 10 minutes between base coats, but now to go to clear, you got to wait at least 20 minutes to let this fully flash. This queen's coming down. I have to fix that. All right, that's 3 coats of base coat, 3 coats of clear. I haven't looked at it yet, so let's take a look, see if we got any orange peel, got any runs or whatever.
All right, so let's check it out. I think it looks really good.
I think it came out good. I'd give it a good B-. It's not perfect, got a few little pieces of trash. Might need to be buffed out. Bugs are bad right now.
I don't really see any orange peel, so that's good.
Maybe a little bit. You look hard. A little piece of trash right here. Some right here. But we can buff all that out. It's gonna come out good after it's buffed. So I guess we could push it out, deflate this and get it packed up. It packs up really good in that bag and put it back in the corner. Let's get that done. So this dolly makes it a lot easier. No way I could do it without this.
All right, guys, we just got the paint booth all rolled up. I think the bed looks really good. The paint came out great. But make sure you stay tuned for next video when we install the new exhaust system on the truck. Can't wait to hear how that sounds. But it's going to be pretty stormy the next couple of days, so it's going to be perfect to work in here. And we also have the bumper we're going to install, but we're going to do that on a video on its own. I know I said we were going to put the bed back on in this video, but I think we're going to wait until we install the exhaust since we'll have all the open space. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at Swan Boys Garage, and we'll see you in the next one.